Want to use Instagram without letting others know when you're online? In this guide, I'll show you how to disable your active status using the latest Instagram app in 2026. It only takes a minute, and the setting can be changed anytime. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Now, tap the three-line menu in the upper right corner. This opens Instagram settings and privacy options, where you can manage your account preferences. Scroll down until you see the How Others Can Interact With You section. From there, tap Messages and Story Replies. This menu contains several privacy settings related to your conversations and activity. Next, select Show Activity Status. You'll find a switch labeled Show Activity Status. Tap the switch once to turn it off. When the toggle changes to gray, the feature has been disabled. After turning this option off, your followers and people you message will no longer be able to see when you're active or when you were last online. Keep in mind that Instagram works both ways. Once you hide your own activity, you also won't be able to see the activity status of other users. If you decide to make your activity visible again, simply follow the same steps and turn the toggle back on. Your active status is now disabled. We hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more easy Instagram tips.